Most of the people we deal with are just regular citizens, calls for service. In my unit, we deal with a lot of gang and drug activity. Getting back to proactive policing versus reactive, which is really where our department wants to be, focusing on gangs and guns.
We're going to flip around, we're going to take a look at this motorcycle. It doesn't have any license plate. See if he's got a reason for that. There it goes. 552, we're going to be in pursuit of a motorcycle. We're going to be westbound Hammer from Tambo Shanner. So we have black motorcycle.
Speeds are 30.
Speeds are 35. No traffic. Westbound. One is possible. 10851.
Call passing landmark.
Going under the railroad tracks. We're going to be continuing westbound past Landmark, number 2 lane. Speeds in excess of 65. Speed through the solid red. Westbound
Eldorado.
through El Dorado.
I don't see where he went.
And he's going to be northbound. It's like northbound Lower Sac from Hammer. He's going to the parking lot.
He's going into Walgreens.
Yeah, we're into Orchard.
Where he went?
Might have gone to the back of the business.
He's between Walgreens and